Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Paul Wilfred. In today's video, I'm going to show you ways you can download your YouTube video without wasting most of your data. As a matter of fact, we all know that YouTube video is not easily downloaded. Rather, you can only watch it on the YouTube platform. But in today's video, I will show you step by step how you can download your YouTube video. So let's get started. Before we start, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you are new. But if you are existing subscriber, just like the video and and comment also, so you won't miss out any of our video whenever we post new video. So let's get started. First thing you have to do is to go to your browser. Like for my case here, I'm using the Edge browser. So when you go to your Edge browser, I don't know the browser you are using. So what you're gonna do is to open a new tab here. So you type in your on the search bar. Now type in youtube.com, youtube.com, youtube.com. Okay. Now you enter. When you enter, YouTube will come, a display like this will come out. Click on the YouTube here. Click on the first snippet, youtube.com. Now it's loading. It have loaded. Here is where you're gonna search on the kind of video you want to download. For instance, let me assume I want to download this video now. Say I'm in Nigeria now. Say I cried for 4 hours. It didn't work out. Okay, let me check for another video here. A shorter video that I want to download. Okay, let's assume I want to download this video here. So let me click on it now. Okay, okay. Let me click on this video. Do as if you want to share it. Now, this is the video link here. First of all, copy the link here. Don't share it to any of these platforms. Okay. Okay. First of all, let me pause this video so you can hear me. So what you're gonna do, as I was saying earlier, is to come to your share here. Click on as if you want to share the video. Copy out the link of the video. This is the link. Here is the link. Now click on this copy. Okay. When you copy it, go to your new tab here. Or you simply type Ctrl T for your new tab. Now search for YT1S. YT1S. Okay. Now when you type enter, you say, okay, the first snippet, yt1s.com, is where you're gonna click because I want to download that video. Now, this is a YouTube downloader website. Okay. Now you come here, click on the first snippet. When you click on it, a display like this will pop up. Say search or paste the YouTube link here. Now it's where you can search or you paste the existing YouTube link which you have copied. Or if you don't have any link you have copied, you can easily search for yours here. But for instance, we have the ones we have copied. So we'll come here. Remember, we have copied this link. This link here is what we have copied. Okay. So we'll come here now. Is you are gonna paste it here. You now say paste. When you paste the link, you say convert. We are converting this link now to the video. As you can see, this is the video we want to download. So now you click on get the link. When you click on get the link, you go back. These are different ads that is popping up. So we don't want all these ads. We'll close them down. Okay. You go back again, click on it again. Okay. Make sure you keep clicking until it gives you the download icon. Okay. We want to click on it again. Click on it again. Just keep clicking until you get the download icon. So when you got it, it's the time you have to. But this side is always too spammy, so but it will come up. Let me close down all this. Let me close it down because this is not what we want. These are paid ads. Okay. Now we don't want all this. Just click on it again. Just keep clicking until you get what you want. Get the link. As you can see, it have converted. But before that, let's close all these links so that we'll know what we are doing here. So close this link. Let's close this link. So let's close this link. So let's close this other one. So what we're gonna do here is to come here and click on this download. You keep clicking on the download. But this is the final step now. Keep clicking on it. When you click on it, as you can see, it have downloaded. So when you come here, you open your video, your download. So this is your video you have downloaded. You can search it on your file to know where the video is. So from here, this is the video you have downloaded. So that is how you can download your YouTube video. As you can see, the video is now playing. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification button so you won't miss out any of our video when next we put new video like this one. Thank you for watching.